What's up, YouTube? Period Diamonds here again for another Printful review. So, another unboxing. Let's see what we got. Okay, kind of thin. Oh yeah, so this is the all over, it's a little bag. Yeah, the all over print drawstring bag. And we choose the king design on this one. So this is now this is interesting. Plenty of room, by the way, but look, you got it on both sides. You have it on both sides. I didn't know that. So I kind of appreciate that. Got the logo down at the bottom, which you don't really see it. So I think if you do this, guys, don't have it go down too far to the bottom because I don't think they're going to see this logo at the bottom. Maybe I should have put it closer up to here or something like that. Also, another mistake I made was I should have used the white stitching. I used the black stitching, but it's mine, so no big deal. But yeah, it looks really nice. Now, when it comes to all over print, I typically only get either all white or this is a bag, and I wasn't. Then I'll do, if it's a bag, I'll use multiple colors. But I thought this would be more like the fabric one. I wasn't sure. Because this feels like the same material as the duffel bag and the backpack and the fanny pack, that you might be able to go ahead and get away with having this being another color other than white. Because typically when it's this type of material, they'll do both sides, something weird like that, or it'll go all the way through. I don't know how they're doing that. If anybody knows how they do that, please let me know down below. But that being said, you got plenty of room in here to carry your, like a backpack. A computer. Maybe a little bit of groceries. It feels very durable. Very durable. So that part I do like. It said the file size is 16 inches by 36 inches. And it's cut to sew. So this is good for like some gym bags, stuff like that. This is polyester fabrics. 100% spun polyester fabric. Okay. So it seems like the polyester material is actually good, at least in my opinion, is good for all over print. The cotton material is not good for all over print. For whatever reason, the polyester seems to go all the way through, but I want to double check that on the other merchandise before I make that conclusion. Okay. Said the maximum weight you can fit in here is 33 pounds. So, guys, keep that in consideration. Like, you got a real heavy computer that's like 50-pound computer, you're probably not going to do this. You're probably not putting too many groceries in here. You might be able to get some, maybe like your shoes, a towel, maybe some clothes. That's it. It's too light for that, for anything else. Nice little pull here. Okay, and then it fits on your back like this. Yeah, like that. Okay, now let me turn around, give y'all a look-see. Yeah, that's how it looks back there. So, you gotta tell me what you think, I can see. But, yeah, pretty comfortable. Pretty doable. Let's see what else we got here. 2 cotton handles, which y'all saw there. Made in Mexico. And this has a 5-star rating with 68 reviews and literally 0 1-star ratings. Like the lowest star rating you got on here is 4 stars. So about as flawless as you can get. something like this. So yeah, I'm gonna add a few of these to the store. Let's see how they sell. So, but you guys tell me what you guys think. So leave your name, not your name, but yeah, leave a comment down below. Any questions? Anything else? Peace.